Welcome to Lake County Public Library's Book Club Picks. Many book clubs enjoy reading historical fiction, but are looking for something not set during World War II. Hi, my name is Chris, and I'd like to tell you about a few of our Book Club to-go kits that feature other time periods. 2 years before World War II broke out, passengers boarded an airship in Germany headed for New Jersey. In Flight of Dreams, author Ariel Lawhorn takes us aboard the ill-fated Hindenburg in a story that is utterly captivating, even though we know how it ends. It's also not a surprise that Mary Surratt dies in Hanging Mary, but Susan Higginbotham's version of the woman who was a co-conspirator in the assassination of President Lincoln, or was she, provides a fascinating glimpse into mid-19th century Washington, D.C. While studying Shakespeare in college, author Maggie O'Farrell was captivated by the fact that Shakespeare's son, Hamnet, died at age 11. In this novel, she imagines how that tragedy might have affected Shakespeare's writing and his already troubled marriage. Next, Ruta Sepetys delves into an era unfamiliar to most Americans, the Franco regime in 1950s Spain. An 18-year-old American photographer becomes attracted to the maid in his Madrid hotel, and through her eyes sees what life is really like under a fascist dictator. The Fountains of Silence is well-researched, but also very readable, moving, and romantic. But why stick to just one time period? Britt Bennett's The Vanishing Half starts in the 1950s, where two sisters witness the lynching of their father, and continues through the decades where their lives take very different paths, and ends up in 1980s Los Angeles, where their daughters unexpectedly meet at a party. Fictional retellings of historical events, history used as a backdrop for interesting characters, books that span several decades. The options for historical fiction not set during World War II are numerous and thought-provoking. For more suggestions like this, or how to reserve a book club to-go kit for your book club, please contact your local Lake County Public Library branch or visit our website.